Understanding carpentry work. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical topic, carpentry work. Whether you're a budding carpenter, interested in DIY projects, or just curious about this skilled trade, this video will help you understand what carpentry involves and expand your English vocabulary related to this craft. Let's dive in. Carpentry is a skilled trade that involves cutting, shaping, and installing materials to create buildings, furniture, and other structures. Carpenters work with various materials, primarily wood, to construct or repair a wide range of items. This craft is not only about building structures but also involves creativity and design, making it an artistic as well as a technical profession. In this section, we'll look at the essential tools used in carpentry. Key tools include the hammer, saw, chisel, and measuring tape. Each tool has a specific purpose. Hammers are used for driving nails into wood. Saws come in various types for cutting wood. Chisels are used for carving or cutting wood. Measuring tapes are crucial for accuracy in carpentry. Understanding these tools and their uses is fundamental for anyone interested in carpentry work. Carpentry can be broadly divided into two categories: rough carpentry and finish carpentry. Rough carpentry involves constructing the framework or structure of buildings. It's more about strength and structure than appearance. Finish carpentry, on the other hand, focuses on the aesthetics, such as making cabinets, furniture, and fine woodwork. Both types require different skill sets and attention to detail. Carpentry is not just a professional trade, it's also a popular hobby. DIY projects, such as making a bookshelf, repairing furniture, or even building a small shed, involve basic carpentry skills. These activities are great for improving your English vocabulary related to tools, materials, and construction processes. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of carpentry work and added some useful terms to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is like carpentry. It takes time, patience, and practice to master. Keep building your skills, and soon you'll be fluent in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.